Alright guys, welcome back to Impressive Media Solutions. I'm Kern Scott, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you could capture your screen for absolutely free. Now surprisingly, this feature has been available since 7.8 and secretly in 10. Alright. Now the old way of actually capturing the screen was to hit the print screen button and capture the whole screen and then probably put it in something like Paint or Photoshop or Illustrator and crop what we need. But secretly, Windows have always had a tool that can magically make our life a bit easier. It's called the snipping tool. And it gives us 4 modes in which we could capture images on our screen. In a world where malware and ransomware is a big deal, and downloading an image is definitely not always a safe thing, capturing the screen does give us that added protection, right? So let's look at these possible ways to capture our screen, right? Let's firstly look at freeform snippet, right? And basically what this does, it allows us to draw around what we need to capture, right? We have to start at one point and then end up right back to that point of where we started, right? Now, if for some reason we use this and we felt as though it's not clean enough, well, there's no need to worry. We could just switch modes, hit new, and then recapture what we were trying to capture. And the tool is so fast, guys. It is so fast that, you know, there is even no need for us to hit that print screen and have to capture this whole screen anymore. And we are safe from ransomware right now. And one of the really nice things about this snippet tool is that when we do capture something, it allows us to easily place it in a document. So no longer do we have to save it, put it on our desktop, and then upload it. So let me give you a quick example of how that looks. And the nice thing, if we make a mistake, we could just tell it that we want a new try, right? So now if we want to paste it in something like Word, what we will do is come to Edit, Copy, get a Word document, and then easily. The flexibility and the possibility, guys, are endless. Check it out, guys. The snippet tool is absolutely free. You're gonna love it. All right, guys, so if this video added some sort of value, do hit that like button and comment. I want to hear from you guys, right? If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for some new tutorials that are coming up, some really helpful stuff we have coming up on the way. And guys, thank you for watching.